Welcome to Bellaz.se. We are the best online nail products-based company. Our specialty is our reasonable price and quality products. Let's get a quick overview of our variety of products. We deal in building materials for your nails, such as nail glue, nail gel, gel polish, all with a variety of color ranges. Our Nagel gel comes in different varieties, such as UV gel, top gel, LED gel. We also deal in different kinds of tools and machinery to help you make your nails look perfect. The tools include scissors, tweezers, pliers, brushes, nail styles, nail lamps, stamp, etc. Along with nail polish, we offer nail stickers and stripping tapes. Our products also include artificial nails, nail tips, and design nails. You can also buy glitter, fringes, and nail decors from us. Along with cosmetics, our company deals in furniture too. For your beauty salon, we can offer you these items of furniture to make your business glow. Pedicure chair, treatment chairs and bunks, work chairs and pallets. Customer satisfaction is our priority. We take the following steps to guarantee our customers' trust in us. We provide online support for our customer within 24 hours. We have a wide range of over 500 products. We provide you with the fastest delivery possible, 1 to 2 days for stock items. We have over 13,000 satisfied customers who have shopped with us. For further queries about products or orders, you can contact us directly by visiting our contact tab on the website, bellaz.se/contact. Leave your query there, and our customer support will contact you within 24 hours. For our customer comfort, we facilitate them in many languages, such as Swedish, Danish, English, and Spanish, so do not hesitate if you have any query.